Good afternoon. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use a table of values to graph a linear equation. For example, we have -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. So they are all x's. So I will replace each x in the function so that I can have y. So when I replace -2 in this function, I will have a y. When I replace -1 in this function, I will have another y, and so on. So let's start by graphing the first function, okay, the first function to see. So let me replace -2 inside the function. I will replace x by -2. So let's start. So we have -2 times -2 plus 4, -2 times -2, that positive 4 plus 4, that's going to be 8. So the coordinate going to be that's going to be -2 and 8. Okay, that's the first coordinate. Let's do that for -1. I will replace -1, okay, in that function. So x will be replaced by -1. So -2, -1 plus 4. -2 times -1 is going to be positive 2. Positive 2 plus 4, that's going to be 6. Okay, 6. The coordinate will be, so that's going to be, you have -1 and 6. -1 and 6, okay? So I will replace 0. I will replace x by 0. Okay? -2, 0 plus 4. -2 times 0, that's 0 plus 4, that's going to be 4. Okay? So the coordinate will be 0 and 4. And 4. Okay? So I will replace x by 1. X by 1. So it's going to be -2 plus 4. -2 times 1 is -2 plus 4, that's going to be 2. 2. So the coordinate is going to be 1 and 2. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Okay? So let's replace 2. 2 is going to be -2 times 2 plus 4. That's going to be -2 times 2, that's -4 plus 4, that's 0. 0. So the coordinate is going to be 2 and 0. Okay. I finished having all my coordinates, so I will plot all my coordinates so that I can graph my function. So let's start. -2 and 8. So this is -2, so I'm looking for 8. -2, go up, so this is 8 right here. This is 8 right here, okay? So -1 and 6, -1, this is -1 right here, 6 is right here. 6. Yes, -1. 0 and 4. 0, 4. 4 is right here. Yes. 1 and 2. 1 is positive. 1, this is 1 right here. 2. 1 and 2 right here. Okay. 2. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. 2, 0. 2, that's 2 right here. 2, 0 right here. 2. 1, 2. Okay. So now we're done with all the points. Now I'm going to connect all points. Connect all points. Boom. Connects all point. Connects all point. So this is our graph. Perfect. Okay. So we can place the point for student. Let's see. So negative 2, 8. Negative 2, 8. You can place the point. 2 and 8. Okay. Negative 1 and 6. Negative 1 and 6 over here. 0 and 4. 0 and 4. And 4. 1, 2. 1 and 2. 2 and 0. 2 and 0 right here. 2. Okay, that's it. So that's the first example. This is how we use a table of values to graph a linear equation. First of all, you need to know how to plot the points. When you finish plotting the points, in the function, so you have all the coordinates, then you can plot the points, on the number line, then you graph. That's not bad. Okay. Let's do a second one. Let's do a second one so that we can have a better understanding. Let's erase this. We're going to use the same point. Let's erase it on the graph. And the point. We need this. We need this. So that's going to be 3, 2. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Okay, we need this. Okay? So let's do with this. So we're going to do the second one. So we still consider the graph. So we're going to use this one, okay? The second exercise. So everything I will use negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2. You can use another one if you want to be. So let's plot. We're going to plot negative 2 inside the function so that I can have a y. Okay? So let's do that. So we have negative 3 times, okay, negative 2. So 3 times negative 2, that's negative 6. Negative 6, negative 2, that's negative 8. Okay. The coordinate is going to be negative 2 and negative 8. Okay. First coordinate. Let's replace x by negative 1. Negative 1. Negative 1. 3 times negative 1. Negative 3. Negative 3. Negative 2, that's negative 5. The coordinate is going to be negative 1, negative 5. So 0. Let's replace x by 0. 3, 0. 3 times 0 is 0. 0 minus 2, that's still minus 2. So the coordinate, that's going to be 0 and negative 2. 1. So let's replace x by 1. X by 1. So 3 times 1. 3 times 1 is 3. Subtract 2, that's going to be 1. 1. So the coordinate is going to be 1 and 1. Yeah, 1 and 1. So 2 is going to be 3 times 2 minus 2. 3 times 2 is 6. Subtract 2, that's going to be 4. 4. So the coordinate, that's going to be 2 and 4. That's it. We don't even need to use 3 because we have enough points. Okay? We have enough points. Let's plot the point. So, negative 2, negative 8. Negative 2, negative 8. Let's use this marker. Negative 2, negative 8. That's negative 2, negative 8. This time is down. Negative 8 right here. Negative 2, negative 8. Negative 1, negative 5. Negative 1, negative 5 right here. Right here. 0, negative 2. Negative 2 right here. 1 and 1. 1 and 1 right here. Here. 2 and 4. 2 and 4. 2 and 4 right here. Right here. Perfect. Now we can graph it because we have all points. We have all points. Boom. All points. Let's collect the point. That's it. Okay. I said we can plot the coordinate. You can show you the coordinate. The coordinate negative 2 and negative 8. Okay. Negative 1, negative 5, negative 1, negative 5 right here. We have 0, negative 2 right here. Negative 2. 1, 1. 1, 1 is right here. 2, 4. 2, 4 is right here. Alright, I think that's it. So, only thing you have to remember when you graph a linear equation using a table of values, know how to plot the point, okay? Know how to plot the point on the graph, and know how to plot the point in the function so that we can have y, okay? Make sure you be careful, don't make mistake. If you make mistake, your graph is not going to be good, okay? Make sure you take your time to plot the point in order to have the best answer. And thing you have to remember also, when you graph a linear equation, the graph you can have is a straight line. The only graph you can have is a straight line. If you have something else, that's not a linear equation, or you make a mistake. Okay? You make a mistake. Alright. Alright, that's good. That's not bad. So, share my videos, please. You can just go to my website and you will get all free math videos. So, you know, practice. There's nothing like practice. Thank you very much, okay? Thank you.